The infusion series incorporates pre-infusion and pulse brew for maximum flavor extraction. The exclusive peak extraction spray head is multi-directional with a 7-hole design to ensure ultimate uniformity of extraction. Digital temperature control and cold brew lockout. Easy pulse display allows for simplified programming of pulse routine. Energy saver mode reduces tank temperature during idle periods. 2 programmable batch switches allow full and half batches of iced tea. Includes integrated flip tray that converts to 3 positions: thermal carafe, air pot, and tea dispenser. The ITCB system is for indoor use only and must be on a level counter or shelf. Be sure to install the system in an area where there are no water jet devices. The system must be disconnected from all power sources before plumbing hookup. The system must be installed where the ambient temperature is between 41 degrees Fahrenheit to 95 degrees Fahrenheit, 5 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius. Let's begin our installation by hooking up the ITCB to the plumbing. The brewer must be connected to a cold water system with an operating pressure between 20 and 90 psi from a 1/2 inch or larger supply line. Next, install the shutoff valve in the line before the brewer. A reverse osmosis machine or deionized water supply is not recommended with this equipment. Once the shutoff valve is in place, begin by flushing the water line. Then, securely attach the adapter elbow assembly to the water supply line located at the rear of the brewer. Now that the plumbing is ready, we can hook up the system to our electrical outlet. Please note, when hooking up the machine, an electrician must provide the electrical service. Begin by using a voltmeter to check the voltage and color coding of each conductor at the electrical source. Connect the power cord and verify the voltage at the field wiring terminal block. We are now ready for the initial setup. Begin by inserting an empty funnel into the funnel rails of the brew station. Place the empty server under the funnel. Make sure that the corresponding Enable Brew On-Off switch is on, which will be indicated by the lit LED light. Water will begin flowing into the tank and will stop when the tank is filled to its capacity. The display will show "Please wait, tank filling," and will disappear when the tank is full. Wait approximately 20 minutes for the water in the tank to heat to the proper temperature or until the LCD display reads "Ready to brew, water temp 205 degrees." Please note, some water may drip from the funnels during this time. That is normal due to expansion and should not occur thereafter. To perform the spray head and dilution calibration, start by ensuring the spray head is installed and verify the correct one is being used. Insert an empty funnel into the rails. Place empty graduated vessel, minimum 128 ounces, under brew funnel. Enter programming by depressing and holding the right hidden button for 2 seconds until Recipes Select appears on the display, then release the button. Use the right hidden button to scroll to the next menu called Calibration. Select the menu by depressing the center button. Display reads "Spray ounces per minute." The number represents what the brewer thinks is the flow rate out of that spray head. Select the menu by depressing the center button until Spray Head Cal screen appears. Once desired calibration menu is displayed, select by depressing the center button to prompt Container Ready message. Depress the button under Yes. Ensure graduated vessel is empty. To start, press Brew to begin the 60-second dispense procedure. After the 60-second dispense procedure, measure away the collected volume and enter the amount into the Enter Ounce menu by utilizing the minus or plus buttons. When finished entering the amount, press the center button under Done. The brewer will display New Spray Ounce per Minute Flow Rate. Dilute Ounce per Minute Flow Rate screen appears. Select the menu by depressing the center button. Once the desired calibration menu is displayed, select it by depressing the center button to prompt the Container Ready message. Depress the button under Yes. Follow the prompted screen. To start, press Brew to begin a 60-second dispense. After the 60-second dispense, measure or weigh the collected volume and enter the amount into the Enter Ounces menu by utilizing the minus or plus buttons. When finished entering the amount, press the center button under Done. The brewer will display New Dilute Ounce per Minute Flow Rate. To exit the programming and return to the main screen, press the Enable Brew On-Off switch. Your ITC brewer is now ready for use.